That sounds cool.
The man bag.
You need the bag. One of the common questions that we get asked here, other than can you fix my turbos, can you fix my crank, or can you fix my M4, can you fix my M3, is I'm not quite sure what to do when my car goes a little bit sideways, which in a BMW, the whole point you buy a BMW is so that you can take it sideways. So we thought we'd make a video on where to get started if you want to go sideways. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can try having a go in your nice expensive daily car, or you can do what we've done and start with a £1,000 box. Had a really good paint job at some point.
What's the windscreen? Where's the link for your OnlyFans, Tommy?
Subscribe for more. Voila! There she is. So you might be wondering why I bought a £1,000 box drift car. The purpose of this is we're going to be doing a couple of series, couple of videos where we build this car from the bare minimum that you need to go drifting and the bare minimum that you need to learn drifting, and then we're going to take it to another level. So make sure you subscribe to find out what we do in future episodes. But to start off with, we're just going to start with the bare basics. The cheapest way to go drifting, the cheapest way to learn how to slide. So you might be wondering, why would I want to buy a £1,000 drift car and go and slide in a car park or go and slide on a drift day? So a lot of our customers have got high power, expensive cars. They have got a lot of money in the cars and they're their pride and joy, and they want to be able to enjoy them to the full extent. The trouble is, when you go sideways, you need to know what you're doing with them, and a lot of the people can't use these nice high power BMWs to their full potential because they're scared of getting a little bit sideways and not knowing what to do. So just learning bare basics in a cheap little car like this will really help you build confidence on track or on fast road stuff with your nice expensive car. Something I always like to do when you buy a new car, have a quick look in the service book, see how much someone's loved this car in the past. Oh, there isn't one. Not too bad. She's sweating a little bit. She's just sweating power, that's all it is. So, first mod, we weld the diff. Second mod,
DDL.
we shot the exhaust off.
I don't know yet.
Because everyone knows that making more noise equals more power. Get your choppy out, mate. Important to note at this point, safety glasses, safety squints.
Battery flat.
That gives us the opportunity. I've spotted a health and safety issue. is solid, I would say that. More power. Even longer. That's heavy, that is. That's gonna be so much faster without that on there. Dolly, we can do one of them f***ing side exit things. You know, like the Jack Boys.
Sounds faster already.
That sounds alright, doesn't it? That? Yeah! Well, I've got that long on there though. Okay, we can try it what? Over the side part. Maybe the over the tape. Okay. Yeah. I mean, that looks f***ing awful, but yeah. So the next part you don't have to do, but because we've got the tools here, why not? You can't have a drift car without it being loud and obnoxious, so of course we're going to put a pop and bang back on it.
BMW fault, always sticky. That's supposed to be up when the bonnet's open to tell you not to drive, but when it's down there, it still tells you to drive. BMW bonnet's day. Good drift car.
Fast road approved.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Condition.
I haven't told him to do this.
Maintenance. Ain't too bad. Comes out like this.
How to with Dolly?
Can I get my hammer?
No! You've got your house key off the key, and that.
Yeah.
We need that!
Oh. Under the red.
Where'd you get that?
For video purposes.
That ain't gonna fit in there.
No, heat soak.
We could leave this off. It would make loads of noise and lose lots of power. Lots of power.
I'll put it back in there, shall I?
Maps at 9%.
9.
Maps at 9%. Thinking. We'll have to obviously ask on the day.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. No, give me my hammer back.
You need to back.
Swear down. So, that had it. Is this going to have it?
No.
No. So why does £1,000 box compared to X of thousands of pound car can't have it?
That pisses me off more at the minute. This has to piss me off.
Oh, so this could piss us off.
Well, it's BMW.
So can I take this to a drift event?
Oh yeah, we need it at a drift event, definitely.
I'm liking that.
I've got an update. Maps at 18%. That one. Or that one. That needs to be twin, doesn't it?
What, two circles?
Yeah. I kind of like that one if it was a twin, you know. Shotguns. Yeah. That one. I mean, I know the oval one will be funny and that, but this will be a lot cooler. Oh yeah! Yeah! People made good money for an exhaust like that, won't they? And to be fair, we don't even have to join it together. We could just weld it in the middle. No one will ever know. Cool. Dolly, I've got a solution. You're gonna like this. Look at that. We don't even have to join it together.
Yeah, but you just join it.
Huh? Maps at 52%.
You just do up some grid.
Yeah.
A section needs welding on that.
Yeah.
You're on there. And 2 pipes off that. Like I said, you're able to,
Just down angle them.
yeah, slash cut it, angle it on, get both level.
And that needs angling as well, doesn't it? Angle that. I think that's going to line up. And then what we'll do is we'll just cut to this bit and make it look like I got it right the first time.
We worked this one out, right? I can't remember what we were doing. I was welding.
We were
I'm welding your diff.
you were welding my diff and I was mapping some car, wasn't
And
I?
you couldn't get internet connection or nothing.
Yeah,
It
every time you sparked the welder up, the internet connection dropped out.
Yeah, turned everything off. Not the power, I electric, just internet. Took the internet off.
Probably a scientific explanation for it, but
If anyone can tell us why a welder would knock out internet connection.
yeah, please tell us.
On my right hand is spanner.
I'm bringing it down. I think the map's done. Oh, that has been an error. Oh, turn ignition off, it says. ECU written successfully. Let's see how loud it is then, shall we? Can't get in. Hey? Yeah. Horse got our proper back. That sounds cool. Right, make the rest of the exhaust then. Doesn't it? I think I'll put an extension on them. Fuck's sake. I might actually just fucking cut them straight, thinking about it. I don't like it. So that's about it for today's video. If you want to see more on what we're going to be doing with this car, we are going to be sending it to the moon in the next few episodes. We've got a few more things to do to it, but just to start off with for now, I wanted to show you the bare minimum that you do to a car to go out and have a bit of fun in it, basically. We're out this weekend at Kerbera Sprint Circuit, so we'll see how the car gets on there, give it a bit of a shakedown. We've not really driven the car much, so we'll see what breaks, and then we should be ready for learning how to drift in the next episode.